All right. So I'm going to go over one of the homework problems with you. So on page 176 in your textbook, you have problems 5, 6, and 7.
Yes.
So problem 5 is in standard format, and that's what chapter 4.5 is about. It's how to graph an equation in standard format. Standard format was ax plus by equals c. So the problem that we have for homework is 2x plus y equals 17. We need to put that into slope-intercept format. Slope-intercept format is y equals mx plus b. So the first thing I need to do with our homework problem is take this 2x and move it to the other side of the equal sign so I have y alone. So since it's a positive 2x, I'm going to subtract 2x. And those 2x's will cancel out for 0 on this side of the equation. So I'll rewrite it as y equals, I have that 17, and I'm just going to say minus 2x. But y equals 17 minus 2x is not in y-intercept format, slope-intercept format. I need it to be y equals mx plus b. So I need to move this negative 2x in front of the 17. So I will then rewrite it as y equals negative 2x plus 17. Now I'm in the right format, and I can start graphing the equation. The plus 17 is my b. That is my y-intercept. The number before the x, the negative 2, that's my slope. Remember the mx, the m tells you how you're going to move? Yeah. It has to be in a fraction. So I'm going to put that negative 2 over a 1. The top number is my rise. The bottom number is my run. So I can even label up here, rise, off to the side, run, right? Mm-hmm. So I'm going to start at my origin. My origin in a graph is 0.00. Yes, Michaela?
Aren't you going to start at the origin, or where are you going to start?
Yep. I'm going to start at the origin, and the origin is right here. It's where the x and the y axis meet. And I'm going to count up 17. So, to be continued. You know what? I'll continue it now so that you can watch it at home. Okay? And I will at lunchtime go over and tutor. So if you give me 2 minutes to finish this up, I'll meet you in the cafeteria and I can tutor you in the cafeteria. All right? I will. I totally will. Okay?
Are you going to do all 5, 6, and 7?
No, I'm just going to do the one. You need to do the rest for homework. But I'll start at 0, 0, and I'll count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, my graph doesn't go up any higher. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It would be right there. So from that point, I'm going to go to my fraction, which is my rise over run. My rise is a negative 2. So I'm going to, from that point, go down 2. So 1, 2. And it's a positive 1. So I'm going to go over to here. I could graph that, but I'll get a better graph if I continue my slope. So I'm going to keep going down 2. So 1, 2, and over 1. And I'll do it again. I'll go down 1, 2, and over 1. And I'll go down 2 and over 1. Down 2, over 1. Down 2, over 1. Down 2, over 1. Down 2, over 1. If I had more on my graph, I could reverse my slope. and go into the other quadrant. So instead of -2, I would go back to my y-intercept and I would go positive up 2, and then I would go left -1. And I could repeat that pattern to get all the dots for the line. But since I can't, I'm just going to take what I can right here, and I'm going to connect those. And that is my graph of my equation.